In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cards UI in Figma. Cards are those compact, repeatable blocks you see in dashboards, product listings, and profile grids. They're great for organizing content and building consistent interfaces quickly, and with Figma's community, you don't have to start from scratch. First, open your browser and head over to figma.com. If you already use Figma, you'll feel right at home. Being signed in helps you open files directly into your workspace, but the browsing experience is the same either way. From the homepage, click on the community section. This is Figma's library of free resources created by designers around the world. You'll find templates, UI kits, and example files that you can preview before you bring them into your project. In the community search bar, type cards UI. This phrase will surface a variety of card patterns from basic content cards to product and profile cards. Take a moment to scan the results and look for a template that matches your project style, whether that's minimalist, e-commerce, or something more editorial. You can usually see a quick preview and a description that mentions features like auto layout, variants, or included styles. When a template catches your eye, select it and click through to its detail page. Here you can review screenshots, read a short overview, and often see how the components are organized. A good sign is clear naming, spacing that feels consistent, and examples in multiple states such as default and hover. Next, click Open in Figma. The file will open in your browser or desktop app, ready to explore. If you're prompted to choose a workspace, just confirm where you want it to live. Once it loads, you'll be able to inspect layers, components, and any style definitions the creator included. Now it's time to customize. Select a card and edit the text to match your content. Replace placeholder images with your own by selecting the image layer and updating the fill. Adjust colors by clicking the fill or stroke swatches in the right-hand panel and tweak corner radius or shadows for a softer or more elevated look. If the template uses auto layout, you can modify spacing and padding so elements reflow cleanly as text grows. Duplicate a card to create variations, and if the template includes components, use them to keep multiple cards consistent. As you customize, keep an eye on alignment and naming so your file stays organized and easy to maintain. And that's it, you've sourced a high-quality template, opened it in Figma, and tailored it to your brand. Keep iterating, and you'll have a polished set of cards ready to reuse across your designs.